And what is the Florida Fish Head doing? What do you think? Of course, I'd rather be doing this than smoking crack.
We always use the adage, you can hide from the wind, but you need to run from that water.
Get out of that RV.
Now, unfortunately, it looks like it's getting a little bit stronger.
You're gonna stall out, that's insane. Absolute mess. We had to turn around, just going back. All the water's dumping in there. Oh, he's tweaked. Hey, Florida fish heads. All right, so the next few days we're going to be dealing with Hurricane Ian. This is where I stay. It's an RV. It's a big RV. Look at the Sunshine State right now. Hurricane Ian is supposed to hit tomorrow evening, Wednesday morning. And this is the start of it. This is the very start of it. Right now it's hitting Cuba, I believe, as a Category 1. But it's supposed to hit Naples by it's going to be a Category 4 by then. Category 5 is the highest hurricane you can get, so we're right under it, which is a category. Anything a Category 3, 4, and 5, I believe, is a major hurricane. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Rain's starting to pick up. I mean, it's only 11:31, but this is my first time ever riding out a hurricane. And what is the Florida Fish Head doing? What do you think? Of course, I'd rather be doing this than smoking crack. Okay? All right, you okay with that? I'm just joking. But no, I would rather be doing this than smoking crack. I'm not joking about that. But, all right, just shut up, Chris, while you're not ahead. Just shut up while you're not ahead. This is what we're getting right here. It's now 12:30. The rain has picked up. The wind has picked up. Still people out on the roads. And I'm going to Walmart so I can color jig heads. Go figure. It's 12:55. Raining a little harder. Hurricane gets closer. We'll see what happens.
We have a strong system. It's Category 3. That counts as a major hurricane, and it's really starting to expand right now. Unfortunately, it looks like it's getting a little bit stronger, and that is the forecast. It's forecast to get up to about 130 mile-per-hour winds before it does move off towards the north and the northeast. So here's the latest right now. As of 5 o'clock, 120 mile-per-hour winds. It's moving to the north at 10 miles.
Now, wind speeds are through the freaking roof. Everywhere.
Going to likely make landfall as a Category 4 hurricane. There will be catastrophic flooding and life-threatening storm surge on the Gulf Coast region.
Exactly where Ian will crash ashore remains uncertain.
Damn.
Some 2.5 million people in the region were ordered or advised to evacuate ahead of its Florida landfall expected for today.
We always use the adage, you can hide from the wind, but you need to run from that water.
Here in Tampa and across large parts of Florida, people are not only preparing for flooding and winds that can reach 130 miles per hour, but also for widespread power outages.
I know you guys probably can't hear me. I got my waterproof case on here. But this is just the start of it. We got some debris down over here. Look at this. You're gonna stall out. That's insane. Wow, dude, I'm glad we came down here. I mean, I know it sounds sick to say, kind of, but yeah.
Look at that. Look at the truck.
Holy sh. Damn, this is crazy.
I'm gonna take a picture, man. See the dab what the fuck storm surge look like.
Wow, they're trying to get their vehicle out. Look.
Yeah.
Did you get a picture?
Yeah, I got one.
I don't know if we want to go much farther, man. I ain't trying to get stuck.
Deep on this, I don't know.
Wow, that's insane.
Yeah. Send that shit where was that at?
Yeah, he needs to get out of that RV. Well, there's people behind me. Yeah, here's the high water right here.
Oh yeah.
See how deep it is. How deep does it look on this side of that truck?
No, I don't know.
Does it look like we can go through it?
Halfway.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn around, dude.
Yeah, that's storm surge right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Shit. Yeah, they're.
Oh yeah, your muffler hangs in the water, huh?
We'll be all right.
There you go.
Yeah. Woo! Damn. Why are we out here? Yeah, it's time to whip a Yui.
Yeah.
We ain't going to no pier, that's for sure.
These motherfuckers down here are crazy.
Wow, dude. This is insane.
There goes someone right here.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this truck to pass. People are being rude. That's how you do it. I don't know why people go so damn slow through the water.
Yeah.
Wow. That's coming up from the ocean, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, that's storm surge. Look at these people freaking really like.
Out here walking around.
Yeah.
Look at all this water spilling over.
God damn.
Yeah. It's coming from that way. Water's dumping in there. Man, I wish I could do the live video right now. Try it again.
Look at that fucking U-Haul truck.
Insane. They're stuck. They are stuck.
Look at the people waiting back there. It's
Yeah.
up to their fucking waist.
Let me get right here for a minute. I gotta get some video of this if I can.
Yeah, this shit is crazy.
Oh, it started. All right. Storm surge has started. Naples, Florida. This is the downtown. We're going towards downtown, like 10 City. I mean, it's a mess. An absolute mess. We had to turn around because going back, what is that, North Naples that way, right? The roads are completely flooded, so it's storm surge right now. People waiting. We got a rider truck that's completely flooded. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. 338. Are you calling me? Oh, it's my Aunt Jackie. I can't answer right now. Oh, he's tweaked.
He's tweaked. He's tweaked.
Aunt Jackie, I'll have to call you back. But yeah, it's a mess. It is a mess in Naples. Like not East Naples where I was at originally. It's still just palm trees on the ground. But if you go towards like Tent City and outside of downtown Naples, this is what you're getting. And it's getting worse by the minute. There's people wading in the water. Vehicles being stranded. What is that color? Why is that? Is that oil? That pink?
Yeah, it's pink. Can of paint.
Yeah.
Can of paint.
That car stalled out.
God, look at McDonald's party. Oh, shit.
It's a lake. So we're heading back towards East Naples so we don't get stalled out here. It's happening quick. See, like right here. See, this wasn't flooded when we just went through here, was it? Yeah, we need to get back. We might need to go upstairs if this don't stop. Look at that.
Yeah. Hold on, let me get that bulldozer.
Yeah, because it wasn't like this at first, just a few minutes ago. We just came through here. That road's flooded. This is 41. Look at this. This is ridiculous. And you got a bunch of people that are in this building because they live in a trailer park behind it and it's completely flooded. Look at that water pouring.
Yeah.
Wow. This is close to the ocean right here though, closer than where we're at. Look at that. Damn. They're open, that motel, but it's first floor. That's a bad spot to be. Look at the parking lot.
Yeah.
They're gonna flood. Look at this truck. Thank you, buddy. Let me over. This is the corner of Airport Pulling Road and 41. And right now I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. Everybody is. You can't drive over here.
Current, bro. It's taking. It's
Yeah.
bringing a fucking.
I need to get through this water.
Carrying them debris.
Pick her up, James.
Hey!
Pretty girl.
Hey, pretty girl!
She's all right. Man, this is crazy. I was doing the same thing, James, and I don't know if you were around, but Odessa and Midland, when the snowstorm hit real bad for 3 days, everybody was out of power. I was driving around recording it.
Had a snowstorm in Texas?
Oh, it was bad. It was like an Ohio snowstorm.
For real?
It was bad. It was a blizzard, straight up blizzard.
Nobody knew what the fuck to do.
No, because they're not ready for something like that, you know what I mean? So the power was out everywhere, quick. It happened fast, the first day, I think.
I'm surprised the power's still on in my house.
Yeah. But yeah. Hey, did you text my dad and tell him storm surge is happening downtown?
Yeah. I'm gonna call his ass next week.
Yeah, right now we're heading south. in Naples. We're gonna go to see, look at that water.
Yeah.
We're gonna go towards Marco Island. Right now we're in East Naples.
Blowing out the pipe.
Yep. So if you're in Naples, or if you know somebody in Naples, tell them what we just seen, because that's just the start of it. That just started happening. It's gonna get way worse. You know, I'm going to say this about Hurricane Ian. You look on the media, you see in Naples, I can't speak for Fort Myers, I can't speak for Tampa Bay, all those towns, they probably did get a lot of destruction. But as you can see, I was driving around in it. But if you look at the media, it's just full-blown freaking destruction, which is not true for most places. We do handyman work here in Naples, and usually the phone blows up because of all the destruction, but we really haven't got any calls. I'm here. Listen, the media is full of freaking crap. You've seen that storm surge? That was a minor storm surge. That was nothing, like, just like I do. Like, if you look at my intro, you'll see it looks like just, you know, mayhem. But it really wasn't that bad. We stayed in this RV by the grace of God. I thank God for that, because I'm glad it wasn't that bad. But keep getting family members, are you guys okay? And I hope you made it good through the hurricane, and it's not as bad as the media makes it. Stop listening to the media so much. They're doing it for what? What do I make my intro interesting for? Views, ratings, whatever you want to call it. They have to make things look crazy so you keep watching. It wasn't that bad. Some places, Naples got hit pretty hard, yes, but the majority of Naples, we're good. We lost power, yes. There's flooding in some spots, but it wasn't this major freaking disaster. I can't say the next one's going to be like that, because there's going to be another one. But the media's crap.